In this video, we'll be comparing Superlist versus Asana, two tools that help you get work done but at very different levels. By the end of this video, you'll know which one is best fit for your workflow. I've included links in the pinned comment and description that will allow you to sign up and get started for completely free. Now, let's dive in. To kick things off, what is Superlist? Superlist is a modern to-do app designed for simple task management and lightweight collaboration. It focuses on clean task lists, shared lists and assignments, real-time syncing, a fast, minimal interface. Think of Superlist as a sleek to-do app for personal planning and small teams. While on the other hand, what is Asana? Asana is a full project management platform built for teams managing complex work. It focuses on projects with tasks and subtasks, timelines, boards and list views, and team collaboration and ownership, automation, rules, and reporting. Think of Asana as a structured system for managing projects and team workflows. Now, let's quickly look over their core differences. For example, with Superlist, it is best for simple tasks and easy sharing, while Asana, on the other hand, is best for structured projects and team coordination. So the real question is, do you want a clean to-do app or a full project management tool? Now, what are the key features of both platforms? When it comes onto Superlist, you'll be getting personal and shared task lists. You'll be able to assign tasks to others. You'll also get access to a clean, modern UI and minimal setup and low learning curve. With Asana, you'll be getting features like projects, tasks, and dependencies, multiple views, whether that be list, board, or timeline, and automation and rules. Also reporting and workload tracking. So with this in mind, who each tool is for, I would recommend you choose Superlist if you want a simple, modern to-do app and you share tasks with a small team, partner, or clients, and don't want complex workflows and prefer speed and simplicity. While on the other hand, I would recommend you choose Asana if you manage projects with multiple steps, work with teams that need structure and visibility, and you need timelines, ownership, and reporting, and want a tool that scales with team size. Now, let's compare their pricing, starting with Superlist. While you can get started for completely free, and I've included a link in the description that you can use to sign up, their monthly plan begins at $6 and it can go up to $25. With Asana, you can also get started for free, and their monthly plan begins at $10 and it can go up to $24, as you can see right here. Now, before choosing one of these platforms, let's quickly talk about the pros and cons. For example, when it comes onto Superlist, it is very clean and easy to use and great for shared to-do lists and minimal setup. But there are a few pullbacks. It is not built for complex projects and limited automation and reporting. While Asana, on the other hand, it offers powerful project management and team management features, strong visibility and accountability, scales well for growing teams. But if we were to quickly talk about the cons, it has more setup and learning required and can feel heavy for simple task needs. So my final decision is I would recommend you choose Superlist if you want a simple, modern to-do app with easy collaboration. And on the contrary, I would recommend you choose Asana if you need structured project management for teams and complex workflows. Both are excellent, they're just built for different levels of work. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.